Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about how to update the node version. So if I would like to check how many versions we have the node. Currently I have node 14 also, node 16 also, but node 18 is not there. Okay. So how I'm going to install my latest version of node or upgrade the latest version. So we have some steps that he needs to follow. Let's have a look. So first of all, we need to run these commands. First of all, we will going to flush the cache. Okay. Okay, done. Now we are going to install the latest version, or you can also write sudo n latest or n stable version, whatever the stable version it is, it will install. So I'm going to add this one stable version, that is node 16.15. So if I'm going to check with np node version, node minus v, so you can see that it is 14. Okay. So if I want to let's check nvm ls. So we have 16.15. Okay. If I would like to run the command sudo and latest, so what it gonna be run, let's check. It's 18. You can see that it will installing my 18 version. If I'm going to check node minus v, so it's 14. If I want to switch now between the node versions, so in the next video I will show you how we can switch the node versions. Like currently it's 14. If you want to move 12, if you want to move 16, 12, 7, 8, so we will tell you in the next video how we are going to play with the versions to switch that modules. Okay, or you can use the default. Okay, in the next video. Thank you so much. So on all the versions we have installed, so you can see that the 12 version, 16, and the currently we have installed node v18.4.0 also, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.